Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another walking workout, just 15 minutes. Look around you, check there's nothing you're going to trip over, stand on, hurt your feet or bash into. So lifting the heels. I'm keeping the balls of the toes down for now, adding a little bicep curl, very, very gentle. More about getting the blood flowing through the body than getting any work in the arms. Keep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, or whatever works for you. Again, your body, your workout. I'm going to take the heels forward, so I'm lifting the toes up. So feeling that in the back of the heels. So you might be just lifting the toe a little bit here, or making it a bit bigger. You want to make it hard to swing the arm. Just watch. I have to be careful here. I'm going to turn sideways or I'm going to bash the wall. I work out in a tiny little 4th bedroom down in my basement, which really isn't big enough as a bedroom. So it's quite a cramped setup here. Hence my workouts all being designed to be in the space of a mat. Keep those feet moving. Taking the feet out to the side, so tapping out. Well done. A little bend if you want, so you can bend in between, or you can just keep it small. Well done. If you lift the elbows up, you're going to feel it in the back of the arms, or just let the shoulders relax. I'm going to work the back of my arms today. Try and keep the hands relaxed. We're going to go back to that jogger's walk, so just lifting the heels. So have a quick peep down, see what's happening. Are your knees coming straight forward, or are they coming across your body? I'm really exaggerating them. Or coming outwards maybe. Have a look, check. Maybe afterwards go up and look in the mirror, just see, are your knees tracking forward in the best position for your body? Those heel digs, so heels out in front. Well done. Keep that going through the gap. We're starting with a little toe tap in front for this track. Well done. Remember to pace yourself. So if you've got plenty of energy, add a bit of attitude, and a little bit of a bounce. If you're struggling and you're maybe a little bit overweight or recovering from an illness, and you want to just do a gentle workout, that's fine too. Kind of take it up a bit, add some energy, but you work at your level. Well done. Okay, we're going to take it across with a kick. So soft knees, try not to snap your knees out. Now again, I'm lifting my foot off the floor, kicking across. If that's too much for you, just try and get a little bit of a across the body, keep the toe on the floor to help you balance. Go with what works for you. We want to work these muscles in your hips, really helping you balance. If you're standing on one leg, it's going to help it even more, but I don't want you falling over. Well done. Well done. Okay, go back to the toe tap. I can remember back in the 80s, spending hours in the disco just doing this. Nothing else, just tap the toe in front. Last 4, 3, and we're going to go back to that kick across or toe tap across. Keeping the elbows soft if you're throwing your hands away. Don't have to do the arms, it's what's right for you. Let's catch the beat and march, right, left, right, left. We're going to go to a side step. So step and tap. Step and bring the foot together. Now, If you've got plenty of energy, make that nice and big. Add some bicep curls for now. If that's too much, this is fine too. You've got to go with what's right for you. Catch your breath if you need to. Well done. Don't forget to have a glass of water nearby when you're working out. If you feel a bit thirsty, just walk over to your glass, have a sip, come back again. Let's change the arms. So I'm keeping my shoulders quite relaxed, but trying to lift them up about shoulder height. You need a nice clap if you want with your hands. A bit loud on the microphone, so I will keep that down. Bring it forward for 2 and back for 2. If you haven't got room for that, you just have to stay on the spot. 2. Right, let's take it to a march, right, left. Try and keep those feet nice and light and quite a fast beat, so those moves are going to be quite small, knees can stay quite low even. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Stay facing me, it's easier for you. 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. So that can just be a very little step, or you can take it down and lift, take it down and lift. Going to change that slightly. We're going to take it wide at the front. So wide, wide, together, together. Again, that might just be a little bit wider. It might be really big. And add some arms. I think out, out, in works quite nicely. Or pump. It's your body, your workout. You choose what feels right for you, or leave the arms out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. We're going to change leg, tap, left, right. We're going to do that a little bit faster without the big pause in future. But left, right, back, back, wide, wide, together, together. Let's tap change, right, left. Don't worry if you haven't got that, really doesn't matter. 8 more. Well done. Tap change, so we tap, change leg. If you're on the opposite leg and you haven't managed to do the tap change, really not the end of the world, and tap change. Tap change, so we're going to do 4, 3, that's 2, tap change, tap change. Tap change for 2s, 1, 2, tap change. Let's go for singles, tap change. So here, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it more to a horseshoe, twist it round. But don't worry, if that doesn't work for you, just keep it here. Your choice. If you just swing your arm out, and just try and do the same movement, but let your feet go with you, it'll become more of a horseshoe. Four, 3, last 2, well done. March it through. 3, 2, 1, toe tap, 3, 1, toe tap. So that can become a knee lift. You can add an arms. Pull down. That's your hardest version. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Easiest version. 1, 2, 3, toe tap. Just little gentle arms, shoulders relaxed. I'm going to go somewhere in the middle. I quite like to just swing my arms, pull them back up, feel that it working the back of the arm. So as you tap, pull the elbow back, feel the back of the arm working. A little bit of work for those bat wings. Not a lot of work for them, but every little bit helps. Let's march. We're bringing the heart rate down. Well done. You've been working out really hard today. Just make it through to the end, finish with a stretch. Bring the feet in. Front this time with a heel dig. So I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Just sticking the heel out, sticking that heel up. But it's not big. Let the shoulders relax. Keep breathing, nice deep breaths. Catch your breath. Back to side steps. Well done. Hope you've enjoyed today's workout. We're not quite finished yet, we're still walking through, but taking our heart rate down, slowing the beat. Heels in front. So I'm taking it right across in front. If that doesn't work for you, just take it out in front. You've got to work with your body. If your balance doesn't allow you to go across, or it's uncomfortable on your ankles, uncomfortable on your hips, just do whatever you need to do. So this is fine too. This is fine if you need it to be even. 4, 3, 2, back to heel raises. Lift and lift, lift and lift. Inside. Body sway, sway, sway. If that doesn't feel right or makes you feel giddy, please just do a small side step. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel in front. Heel raises. Try and keep those hips facing me. Well done. So we're not twisting side to side or sticking the hip out. Pulling the belly in, keeping the head up, shoulders back. Pull the shoulders back. Nice and relaxed circle though. Shouldn't be tense. You're ready to march. Right, left. Or left, right, really doesn't matter. 3, 2, 1 and a heel dig. 3, 2, 1, heel forward. If heel doesn't work for you, go with a toe tap, that's fine too. Keeping it small. Out of the side. 1, 2, 3 to the side. Let's finish with a stretch today. Usual stretch we do just to give the calves a little bit of a stretch. I'm going to start by just lifting up the heels and taking one heel back, bringing it in. Push that heel all the way into the mat, bring it in. And then I'm going to ask you to hold that right heel down into the mat. Watch they're both facing forward. If you find that you're wobbling a bit, take that front foot wider. And we're trying to keep the hips facing me at the front. I'm going to turn again sideways so you can see. So we don't want this sort of movement. I want the body facing the same way. Have a look at what's going on with your knee, knees above the ankle. Whatever that stretch is felt in the calf for you, or even wherever you feel the stretch in the calf. Well done. Sometimes I have trouble with my words. Okay, let's change sides. Let's just start by tapping back. Did the right leg the first time. Remember which leg you did. We want to stretch both, have evenness in both sides of the body. Watch you've got your balance. Nice straight line. You can't see anything when I do it that way. Try and relax your head down. Once you're in position, don't look at me. Look down or look forward, relax. Feel what's going on with your body. Are you feeling the stretch in the calf? If not, maybe adjust the foot, turn the heel out a little bit. Feel it where you feel you need it, but front knee above the ankle, between the ankle and the toe. Knee shouldn't be dropping in. That's what I mean by dropping in. It shouldn't be here, it should be straightforward. Have a look and see. Well done, shake out your legs. That's all for today. I'm so pleased you made it to the end of the workout. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.